Good morning, students. Welcome back to Learning Civics. Today, let us discuss Unit 4, Chapter 6. The name of the chapter which we are going to discuss today is Understanding Media. First, let me ask you a few questions. What is your favorite TV program? What do you like listening to on the radio? Which newspaper or magazine do you usually read? Do you surf the internet, and what have you found most useful about it? Now, let us try to understand what media is. The word media is used to collectively refer to the radio, TV, newspapers, internet, and several other forms of communication. Media is the plural form of the word medium, and it describes the various ways through which we communicate in society. TV, radio, and newspapers are a form of media that reaches millions of people or the masses across the country and the world, and thus they are called mass media. Media has to depend upon various factors such as approval from the government, money, etc., for the smooth functioning of it. So, as a result of it, media is not often independent. If media is not independent, balanced reporting will be impossible. Here, let us see that newspapers, televisions, and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technology. So, when media uses technology, it becomes dependent on technology. Making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. It also improves the quality of sound and images that we see and listen to. Television has helped us to think of ourselves as members of a larger global world. We can sit in Chennai or Imphal and see images of a storm that has hit the coast of Florida in the United States. In short, we can say media has brought us together, it has brought the world closer to us. Now, let us discuss media and money. How are these two things related? The different technologies that mass media use are expensive. In a news studio, the newsreader and a number of people who help put the broadcast together have to be paid. Mass media earns money by advertising different things. Now let us try to understand how does media work in a democracy. Public opinion is very crucial for a healthy democracy, and media plays a very important role in forming public opinion. Media provides a platform for the people for expressing their views. Policies and programs of different governments are communicated to the people by the media. The media ensures that the representatives of the people are answerable to them. Media acts as a watchdog of the democratic government. Media has to follow a balanced approach in its reporting of events. As I mentioned earlier, media has to be independent. The government can control the media, governments can prevent either a news item or scenes from a movie or the lyrics of a song from being shared with larger public. This is referred to as censorship. So when there is censorship, we cannot say that media is independent. Media has to see that it is not criticizing the government too much. Sometimes, in the history of India, when emergency was declared in 1975, media was not getting the freedom to criticize the government. So it shows that media is not independent, but media should be independent, then only its reporting will be balanced. Hope that you all enjoyed learning and understood the lesson. Here is an assignment for you. Please try to find out answers of these questions. The first one, media has to be independent, justify the statement. The second one, define censorship. The third one, what do we mean by mass media? That's all for the time being. Thank you for being with me. Take care, stay safe.